Okay, hello from Excel Wizard. Today is Advent of Code 2016, day 17 to step forward using Python in Excel. Okay, let's see the puzzle. Here, today is we have a 4x4 grid of small room, so like this, and then we start at top left here, and then we exit at the bottom right here. So in Excel, I will use like coordinate like 1 1 for SS and then 1 2 until 4 4 here. Then we have to use another again MD5 to like see if the door on each direction are open or closed, and then we have like we'll use 4 character here, like up, down, left, right for here. First 4 character for up, down, left, right. And if that is in A, no, not A, B, C, D, E, and F, that means the door is open and we can move into that direction. And then, so we have start with some passcode here, and if we can move to some direction, and then here we can move down, and then next passcode is gonna be at the down direction here, and then continue. Okay, so this is how we do. So okay, try. So for Excel, for that grid here, I will use Excel like this: sequence of 4 multiplied by 10, and then plus sequence of 4 in column to get the grid like this. And then I use like to call of this to make it into single column. But in Python, I just go like this. So start with this, and then we have column for C in branch. Start with 1 and end at n before 5 is 4. So I get like this. I think I'll just put it in string here. So we got like 1 2 3 4 like this. And if we want another one, so we can use another 4 row in range of 1, not 0, 1 and 5, and then close and open bracket here. So we got like this. So list of 1 2 3 4, and then here I want, I'm not sure, column row multiplied by 10 plus column. Okay, so just like that one, I'll just move this one away and show as a grid. So like this. But if I want it in single row, single column like this, I don't have to nest that 4. So just remove this. I got in like this. So this is my grid GR here. And I'll just put it back to Python mode. Okay. Then when I move, there are 4 directions. So I have up, down, left, and right. So this is up, down, left, right. Go up, we move by -10. Go down +10. Go left -1. Right is 1. So this is my gonna be by direction. Okay, just DR. Okay. This one I'll use in Excel later. So this is like grid GR here. So from this direction, so DR is equal to also DR. I think I can put DR. Okay, just like this. I got data frame, and it's hard to loop through data frame, so I put value. So this one gonna be ND array, and then I can loop to each of them. Okay. Then I need start point. So I'm starting from this sample. I'm starting with this one, HK. I'll just put it here. And we will start, okay, this is start point. So ST is this cell. And when we start at position 1, 1 here. So I'll just put another variable. So P is equal to ST and 1, 1 with start direction. So this is my list of, okay, this is my array. Look here. So this is start, and then we want to go next. So we have to do the hash. We need to import. So import hash lib library here. And then with hash lib, I can call that one. So hash lib of MD5 of my start text, which is I can select from P. First one of P is 0 here. And this one I have to encode. Okay, I just go like this first and gonna give me error message here. Have to be encode, and then I have to encode the dot encode this. I got hash object. To get inside hash object, I have to use hex digest this. So I got this one CDEF, and I only want first 4, so index like this. So this is CDE, just like this one, and then CD C and 9 here. So this one, that means I can go up, down, or left here, but this is not in B to F, so this one I cannot go. So I have to compare all this with the direction, so I can go like this one. So zip with that DR that I already said, it will show as zip object. If we want to see inside, we can go with list here. So just to see what looks like inside, like this. So this is like C is up, like E is down, D is left, and 9 is right. Then I can check, so each element together. So we have the hash and direction, which is D from DR here, and I can put 4. So I want to see what is the next part next of the hash. So I can go with P0 again, plus is n plus the direction from D0. So D is all this, and first element is U. So this is my D0. So, okay, just stop like this. I have something not right. D and H. Oh, in. I forgot this one. In. Okay. So now I have this. So up, down, left, and right. And then I need the position. So I can go with the same. So I'm start with position 0. P1. P1 is P here, and this is 11. Oh, I need to close another. Okay, so this is like my start position. Start with P1 and plus each direction from D, also D1, like this. Wait, I have to close. Okay, so put it in here. So this is like 11 plus all this to get the next position. So this position, I have to check it against the grid, that if it's inside the grid. So -1 is on top here, it's not in the grid. And then 21 is good. 10 is not good, go to left. So only valid is 1 and 12. And then, but this one is door lock, so we can go only go to, I think 21, go down only here. So to check that, I can go with this one. So if check with the inside the grid first, so I can check if this one in grid here. So I left with 2 here, and then 12 the door is closed, so I have another check. I just put it next row, and H in B, C, D, E, F. So this is what I need here, and let's put it back. So now we have list within a list here. So next round we can go the same, but we have to loop to each one. So instead of starting with P, so I just pick this one. So PS is equal to make the same thing here. So just put it like this. So this is my PS, and then if I want to loop to each PS, I can use like P in, no, for P in PS. So this is how to loop on each element. So if I have 2 rows of this, it will loop through. So with this, I can just copy this and put it somewhere. So I can put it here. Still good, right? Another thing is I can put it at the end and put another close bracket and open bracket here. Not square bracket here. But now we have list in list that I don't want this. I just want the first one. So go back. So this is list into list, and I can loop through this one. So I set another PS equal to this. And if I do it again, I'll go to the next one. So this is next position. Keep doing this until we get 4 here. So instead of do a loop like that, I just go with Y. Oh, before that, I need to check if the second position is in 4. So I can just borrow this one. So P, we have 21 here. So P, for P in PS, again, if P1 equal to 21 here, so I will get the list of something here. If I check if it's 44, I will get empty list, and we can check if the list is empty. So I think I name this one as FF44 here. So we can check if the list is empty by not. So this is just like if empty. So FF here, it will turn 2. And if there's something like 21 here, return false here. So this one I can use as a criteria to keep the loop running. So I just put it back to 4, and then here, Y, not FF. Here, I want to keep running this and this. But here, I don't have FF here. So FF is start with blank to keep everything running. But this one is keep running because I think it will never reach 4. So let's try with the sample. Here. So change this one to sample. And try again. No. FF. BC. Something right. A, B, C, D, E, F. Something not right. Okay. Just before the loop here, just try this again. F check PS is something. Yep. And then run again. PS is something. Yeah. Should be good. And then so FF is empty, and then not is still running. Yep, it should be. Not sure what's wrong with this. Okay, I'll try. FF, then okay, for I in range, let's do 2 loop here and see if we get PS. Oh no, let's get this one. So this is 2 loop, 3 loop, and then FF is still blank and not FF is true, so it should keep running. Okay, let's try with 10. Yep. PS something FF is blank. Not sure. So the shortest. So this one, like, if I run for 6-7 loop, it should get me the 44. So okay, 6 here. Yeah, this one is 4-4. And then not FF return false, and that should stop the loop. Okay. So okay, do again. Y not FF. Then run this one. Then okay, I got 4-4 here. Not sure what's wrong on the beginning. And then we want FF here, which is 4-4, and then we can see that we have the answer. So I can use this one. First element, I got 4-4. So first, again, to get this one, and then I will do the mid. So I can use like len of start to the end. So this is the answer for first one. Okay, checking here. Try with second one. No. Copy. Paste here. So this is my second answer. Just look like this. And the third should be like long one. No. Copy. Paste here. So this is like long one, and it should be the same. So just copy to compare. Something with my copy is not right. So looks the same. Check. Same, true. Okay, I can try with this input. Copy and paste here. So this should be my answer. Just copy and paste. Submit. Okay, one gold star. Part 2. Part 2, we want to so you decide reach. Now we want to find the longest path. So this mean from PS here, this is the shortest part, and so we have to continue with the rest here until we find the longest path to reach 44. Okay. So that means that we need to keep some value and then exclude some value. So from here, we need to, so this part is already reached, so we have to exclude this one. So, it's gonna be quite long here. Think I'm just gonna put it in next one. Okay, just copy this. Okay, need to copy from PS here and then put it in new one. So this one I just keep this FF here, first answer, and then another one start like this. Okay, now I need to check PS. And this PS is long here. So this one is already reached 44. So I need to exclude that one by doing the same here. So PS will be not equal to 44. So filter that 44 out. So this is filter 44 out. And then before that, I need to keep value of maximum. So x is equal to, okay, first I have to check if 4 is not empty. So if not FF, that means we check if it's empty. So if not, that means if S is not empty, I will assign some value like max mx equal to FF. And if it's not make to any 44, so just leave it FF here. And then we will need to run until we reach to the end of the line. So that means PS will be blank. So I just go like this. Again, not blank here. So this is not empty. And then not again, this is check if it's empty. So this is, and then we want to return MX. So we got MX here with like quite long. So we want to know length of the longest part. So we can find mx0 to get this, and then 0 to get this one. And to find the length, so we can use length of this one, but we have to minus length of the start, which is st. Then, so I got 650 here. So this is, yep, another gold star. So this is how to do in Python, and Python is have more advantage than Excel, because when we running the loop, we can running the loop like this. Excel, we cannot do the loop like this, but we can use like reduce. But with reduce, we cannot keep, we can keep only one array. We cannot, this one is separate. Variable cannot be kept in that, but there's a way to do that. So let's try with Excel. So I have this dr and this in place here, which is gr already. So just go to the next sheet here, and I'll just start the same here. First one. So I'm just gonna start with reduce. Okay, start with PS here. So let PS is this. I need to start with 11. Okay, 11. So let PS is this one. This means there could be more row here. And first round, I just go reduce, start from 0. So I will run to each row of PS. So sequence of rows of PS. Then lambda, A, and N. And then I need cross first. I need that first one. So the not hash, this is hash. Okay, hash is index of ps by n by 1. Return me h here, the cross. So with this, oh, I need the function to find hash, which is I already have, but it require VBA, so just have to open that one. So this is in my share folder. So this is the one, and this one require VBA, so need to copy that module MD5 into this book one here, and I can close this. Now we can call that function, which is MD. This is MD5 hex here to find that hash. So this is the MD5, and then we only want, okay, I just keep it for using this one later. Now we want to do the hash, and so this is my hash, and then I need to add the direction. So take dr by first column, I got this, and then I have to stack the position. So position will be index of ps by n, second column, and this is 11, and then I need to plus the direction on second column, so drop dr by one column, got this one. Okay, this is the next move, so I put it at m here, and this is my m. Then I need to filter, so filter this one by that hash, so MD5 hex on H, and then I have to go with mid sequence of 4, so running one by one, and this will be the 4 letter. I have to check if it in that BCDE, so fine. This one with A, B, C, no, B, C, D, E, F here, and this one should return number, so is number. So this is the first condition. Okay, got this. And then the second condition, if the M here has to be in that grid, so I can use with count if, so and count if grid gr and m here. So this is my first row, first round here. Now I can again, so this in Python we don't have to deal with empty, but if there are no next part, this one will be empty, and I want empty to return 0 instead. And then this is my f here. Then if there are more than one rows on start, I want to stack, so we stack A and F like this. And another check, if F is return 0, I don't want to stack it, just skip it. So if first element of F is more than 0, then we do that, we stack, and if not, we just return the A. Okay, so like this, and then we don't want the first one, so drop this first one out, like this. So this is first round, and then I have to run this one for more than one round, so another reduce. And I'm also begin with PS here and sequence of 1. And then another lambda of, because I use PS here, so this one have to be PS. And then that sequence, I will use X here. So this is first round, still good. Second round, so it keeps changing. And then 10, it should give me that 44 here. Oh, something is not right. So this one shouldn't be here. Count if. Okay. 2. Okay, 5. It's not good. So there should not be 3 here. So count if. Think. Okay, so wrong bracket here. So just count if like this. Okay. Better. Now if I run 10. So if I found this one, that means I want to stop the loop. And if I like overshoot this one, it will just keep running without stopping. So I need condition to stop the loop, which is if or PS equal to 44. So if any of these array have 44, just return me the PS. And if not, just keep doing this. So I can stop the loop like this. And then I can get this value. So, okay. And then this is FF here. So I can look for FF by X lookup 44 and then drop FF first column. So look for FF in second column and then return the FF here. First column again. So take 1. And then I have to meet this one by length of this. And then take all the rest, 99 here. So it's another cross. Oh, +1, I think. +1. Okay, so this is first. Second will be harder because we have to do different method here. So the first one, we just stop when we found out that PS have 44 here. But the first one, we have to keep running until the end. So instead of start with that one, I will use this one. So PS is VStack. So we giving start value here, 0 and 44. And this is my PS. So this one, the top row, I will use it for keeping the record of 44. So we will change this one if there are like next 44 is met. Okay. And then I'll just borrow all this. But I have to refine something. Okay, let's just run first round first. So this one, we start with PS, that is good. But now we not stop here. And then here, instead of reduce 0, I want to use the first row of PS. So take PS with 1 here. And then the running here, I don't want to run on the first row. So I need to, so with 2 row here, I only run 1. So I need to -1 here and make it start with 2. So it's doing the loop start from second row onward. And then this should be the same, filter here. It's good, but this one I want. Wait. Okay, I want to check if this one have 44. No, I don't need to check. Okay, then the max, which is x, I will have to look up through that ff, right? Wait. PS drop ff, not sure. So I just cross. This one is, oh, drop. I don't drop it yet. Okay, not drop. Okay. So this one stop because there are 44 here. So I don't want to stop, but I want to replace this number. So, okay, x is this one, x lookup here. So I want to find new lookup, and then this is ff here. So if it new 44 here, it will be on the bottom. So I will search from bottom. So this is my x. Okay, just return x first. It's not returning x. Like lambda. Wait, not sure. Oh, okay, because returning x up on the top here. Reduce p and x. Wait. Oh, x is 1. No, I cannot use x here. So mx, and then this one just get rid of it. Just name. What name is not right? Oh, not ff, just one f here. Na. Wait, I'll return ff. Okay, this is my f. Oh. So this f is that row. Forgot to vstack. So vstack. Okay, I have to vstack that a and ff. So I need this one. Okay. Get this one. Okay, now I have two. So this is the result. Okay, I think I need another let. So this is my next move. What should I call this one? Let q. Okay, q. Then return me the q. Is it q is this? No. Q here. Is it q? Oh, no. It long bucket. Okay, so this is my q here. And with this q, I want to find mx by xlookup 4 drop q by first column and return me the q and look from last. So this is my mx. Okay. And then new mx here, I have to stack. So need to filter out that q. So this is q. I have to filter out the one with 44. So filter. This is my non-f and f. Filter q by drop that not equal to 4. And if it's not, just give me empty. So this is my nf. So this one I filter out 44 in order to stack it back with nf. So if at nf is more than 0, we will restack mx with nf. If not, we just return the maximum. Okay. And then, so this one, like, I can keep running, but don't know where to stop. Okay. And then to stop it, that means I only have mx left here, which is only one row. So if rows of, so this, all the result here become ps here. If row of ps is equal to 1, then return me ps, right? If not, return me all the left here and cross. Okay. Then I have to run here more than 65, 650. So just go with 700. And this is gonna be slow because VBA, still good. So with this, I don't want to wait again. So this is the result. So I can use like len, this one, minus len of start here to get same result here. So this is how to do with Excel. Okay, one more thing. I want to timing. So this one, if I do with Python, I can timing like this. So I have to import time, and then t is equal to time. Then I want to print time. Do I need bracket? Time minus t. Okay, and this is the time we use in Python, 0.2 second, less than 1 second. But in Excel here, okay, I'll just make it full loop here. So with this reduce, just make a new formula, not just that one. So with this reduce, I need another, which is t is now. And then we stack. This is my result. So result is reduced here. Okay, just make it full. So index of rs by 1, which is the long text here. So this is len minus len of beginning. So this is the result, and then I'll just stack it with text of now minus t in second s00 here cross. So just wait and see how long it takes in Excel. So in Excel here we take 7 seconds compared to Python, which is so much faster. Okay. So hi Fahid. So I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.